Hello everyone, Namaskar. I am Riya Yavalkar. Welcome to the 11th session of my online Kathak tutorials. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a very happy International Yoga Day and a very happy Father's Day as well as a very happy World Music Day. We have also entered the summer season, so I hope that all of you can enjoy it as well. In this session, we are going to learn 3 new hastak. So let's get started. The last hastak we learned that had a circular movement is called Alingan. Alingan is a Sanskrit word and it means a hug. So in the performance, if the dancer wants to show that he or she is hugging someone, that is when we use this hastak the most. For example, if I am playing the role of Mata Yashoda and who is the mother of Lord Krishna, and let's assume that the Lord Krishna is a baby, so I would show it like this. 1, 2. Today we will learn Ardha Alingan. Ardha means half and Alingan is hug. So we have basically cut the Alingan hastak into 2 parts. So let's see how. In this, instead of rotating both your hands at the same time, we first rotate one hand and followed by rotating the other hand. That is our Ardha Alingan. We have already learned how to rotate the hand, but there is a little difference when you do Ardha Alingan. Your body also moves with your hand like this. So when you are doing Ardha Alingan with your right hand, your body can move towards the right and you also look at the right side. You bring back your hand. Then when you are doing the Ardha Alingan with your left hand, you move your body towards your left, and you look at the left side as well. Let's divide this hastak in a few steps so that we can learn also the smaller details. So I have divided it into 8 steps. The first step is you move your body towards your right and you simultaneously you open your palm so that it faces the audience, and your shoulder and your elbow are pulled back. So this is your first step, and my body should not face the audience, it should face the right side, and already you can see that I am looking on my right side. That's the first step. The second step is you are going to rotate your forearm with the help of your elbow. So that's your second. The third is you bring it in the front. So your circular movement of your forearm is still continuing. That's the third. And the fourth is that you bring it back to your basic position. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it a bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's repeat it on the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one after other. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In Kathak, you can use this hastak to show that you are hugging a friend like this. So basically, you stop at the step 2. For practicing, this hastak is combined with Tatkar. So I will show it how we can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can also do this hastak by facing the opposite side. So when your arm is stretched out on the right side, you have to face your left side. I will show that variation to you now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So instead of moving your body to the right when you during the first step, you just move your face to the left, but your hand and the shoulder and your elbow will still be pulled back of your right hand. So this step is same, but you do it by looking on the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, when you want to stretch your left hand, you will be facing your right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. This hastak is typically used to portray a lady who is doing her hair. I will show you an example. In this example, the lady is doing or making braids in her hair. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our first hastak for today with 2 variations. Now let's move on to the second hastak. This hastak is called Vyapati. In Vyapti as well, we do a circular movement of your arms, but this time the circular movement starts from the bottom. So let's learn how to do this. We begin at the basic position. The first step is that you open your palms and your palm need to face up. Now the second step is you start with your circular movement using your elbow as the point. So your hand will start making the circles like this. They will go down. 2. So the first one is you open your palms and the palms should be facing up. Second is you start moving them to make the circular movement. You continue with your movement. That's the third step. And fourth, you bring it back. So in the first step, your palm is facing the sky. In the second step, already when your arms are below, your palm are facing the audience. Third step, your palms are still facing the audience. One thing to notice is that my wrist is being used right now. So that's the third step. Now the fourth step, when you bring it back to the basic position, that's the fourth step. But you make sure that you don't do like this. So your hand should never go above your head, but it should be near your face. So it should not even be like this. It's not like this. You have to make sure that it goes a little bit above your shoulder but below your head. And just the hands, not the shoulder, not the elbow. So just hand. It's not like this. It's just this. So make sure that the elbow are not moving up and down a lot. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the arm movements for this hastak. Other than the arm movements, we also have to keep in mind about where we are looking while doing this hastak. So you can choose either to look at your or follow your right hand, or you can also follow your left hand. So for example, now I will follow my right hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will follow the left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. One more more thing that we have to keep in mind while doing Vyapti is that we also have to bend your back a little. So when you are on the step 2 and 3, you need to engage your back. Let's see how. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now when you are at 2, you already bend your back a little bit so that there is enough room for your arm to move. Like this. So 3 and 4. Don't do it too much, otherwise it's not going to look nice. It should be just enough. It's not even moving to the front, it's more moving to the side. So on whichever side you are going to look. So in this example I am looking at my right hand. So my back is a bit bent so that my body moves a little bit to the left side. So that my angle or the distance between my right hand and my body increases. That way it looks a bit more graceful. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I say that you have to move your back a little, don't move it like this. You just need to move your waist area like this. So your neck and shoulder needs to be in position, just your body is a bit curved. So that's one more thing that we have to remember. Let's combine it with Tatkal. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. That is Vyapti Hastak. Let's move on to the third Hastak for today. In this Hastak, we are going to be using the same arm movements that we did for Vyapti. But instead of moving both your hands together, we are going to be just using one hand at a time. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.